Hi students, welcome to Nonjal Career Academy. Current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer is 5 division per milliampere and its voltage sensitivity, that is angle of deflection per unit voltage applied, is 20 division per volt. The resistance of the galvanometer is okay. So current sensitivity is 5 division per milliampere, voltage sensitivity is 20 division per volt. We have to find the resistance of the galvanometer. Okay, let capital N be the number of turns in the galvanometer, A be the area, B be the magnetic field, K be the restoring torque per unit twist. Okay, so current sensitivity Is is equal to NBA divided by K. Okay, current sensitivity Is equal to NBA divided by K. Voltage sensitivity Vs is equal to N divided by NBA divided by K into Rg. Okay, so current sensitivity Is is equal to NBA divided by K. Voltage sensitivity Vs is equal to NBA divided by K into Rg. Okay, so dividing the Is by Vs, we get Is by Vs is equal to NBA divided by K, the whole divided by NBA divided by K into Rg. So Is divided by Vs is equal to NBA divided by K into K divided by K Rg divided by NBA. Okay, now NBA cancel, NBA cancel, K cancel, balance is Rg. Okay, so Is by Vs is equal to Rg. Okay, Is by Vs is equal to Rg. From this, Rg is equal to value of Is is 5 division per milliampere, value of Vs is 20 division per voltage. Okay, so Rg is equal to 5 divisions divided by milliampere into voltage divided by 20 division per voltage divided by 20 division. Okay, so division. So from this equation, division cancel. Okay, milliampere can be written as 10 power minus 3. Okay, 1 milli is equal to 10 power minus 3. So from this equation we can write 5 divided by 20 into 10 power minus 3 into voltage divided by ampere. Okay, so now 5 into 10 power 3 divided by 20, voltage by ampere is resistance R, whose unit is ohm. Okay, so V by A is equal to ohm. So now 5 into this 10 power 3 can write in the numerator. Okay, 10 power minus 3 can go to numerator. So 5 into 10 power 3 divided by 20 ohm. Okay, which is equal to 5 into 10 power 3 is 1000. So 5 into 1000 divided by 20 ohm. So that is equal to 0 cancel, 150. Okay, 50 into 5, 250 ohm. Okay, so the value of galvanometer resistance Rg is 250 ohm. Okay, third option.